This is where intelligent charging starts. Tap the mode selector on the home screen. You've got real choices in here. Plug and charge, your immediate charging mode. Need to leave it in for an hour? Need a quick top up? Plug and charge does exactly what it says on the tin. Your Hypervolt charges at full power right now, typically 7.4 kilowatts on a standard home installation, until your battery's full or you unplug. You're buying grid electricity at whatever rate applies. This is your emergency button. Use it when time matters more than money. Schedule charge. This is where intelligence happens, and honestly, this is where most people should spend most of their time. Tap schedule charge and you'll see a calendar interface. Pick your date, set your time and end time, and tell the app what battery percentage you want to hit. Say 80% for a commute or 100% for a weekend trip. Now, here's the clever bit. You can stack multiple charges. Have you got a routine? Create a Monday to Friday schedule at 2 AM for your commute, then a weekend session at Friday, say at 11 PM. One session, recurring days, whatever works for your life. The app remembers all of it. Once you've set it up, you'll get an overview of exactly how long this charge will take, energy used, range gained, and here's the important bit, what it's going to cost based on your electrical tariff. That is power. And here's the thing that I haven't mentioned, the most clever feature yet. Hypervolt has a random delay feature. If you're on an economy tariff, like Economy 7, thousands of people are charging at exactly the same time. The grid doesn't really love that. Enable random delay and Hypervolt shifts your start time randomly up by about 30 minutes. It smooths out demand spikes. The grid stays happy and you still get your cheap charging. That's sophisticated, like a fine wine. New feature in app 6.2, multi-mode scheduling. You can now set your charger to automatically switch between modes throughout the day. Maybe you want super eco mode, the green stuff, during sunny afternoon hours when your solar's flying. Then, 11 PM, it switches to intelligent tariff mode to catch up on the cheap grid electricity. All automatic. You set it up once and you forget about it. That's automation that actually works.